Hi guys, it's Jazzy Rose and welcome to my channel. Today I am doing this nice bronzy glowy summery look. If you guys are interested, please continue watching. First we're going to start off with our primer. This is the Backlight Primer Filter from Becca. And I'm just going to apply some of this to my face. This is going to give us a nice smooth canvas and also give us this nice glow that we're going for. Guys, don't mind my nail that's missing. I broke it while I was getting dressed today, and I'm just too lazy to go to the nail salon and get it fixed, so work with me here. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and you want a natural full coverage foundation, one that you can actually like build up on, that doesn't look so cakey because you're going for a more natural look. And I want a nice glowy, dewy look as well. So I'm actually going to mix a few things together. For my foundation, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, and I'm going to mix this together with some Maruca oil from Tarte as well. This is going to give us the dewy look. And I'm going to also mix it with the True Match from L'Oreal, the Lumi G lotion, I guess this is called. This is a natural glow enhancer, and this is what we want, and this is a deep glow, and this is going to give us that nice bronzy look as if we were tanning. So I'm just going to take some of my Shape Tape and apply it to the back of my hand as much as you can, just because this, obviously you're supposed to apply the stick with this, but whatever, we're going to do it like this today. And you're just going to take just a drop and mix it in. And now also add the Lumi G lotion. I think that's the name of it. I'm going to leave everything in the description box below, guys, so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And just mix it together, and now just dab it onto your face. If you need to make a little bit more of your concoction, go for it. It's just, I know that I could have used maybe a better foundation because of that pours out instead of using the stick, but I really do like the Shape Tape from Tarte foundation because it makes it gives you that real natural look, and that's what I'm going for here. And you can also build up with it, and I have a little bit of a breakout that I'm probably going to need to build up on, so just going to make a little bit more of my concoction. And just doing the same exact thing I just showed you guys. Just dab it everywhere. And then you're just going to take your damp beauty blender. You can wipe off whatever is on the back of your hand and apply it to your damp beauty blender and just blend away, guys. I actually want to build up a little bit here. I'm just going to go in with the stick. Just a little bit. Those few areas are annoying me. And just blend. Now for our concealer, I'm going to go in with the Born This Way from Too Faced. This is in Very Fair. This is actually really becoming one of my favorite foundations, guys. I've been using it a lot lately. But it's going to give you that nice dewy natural look, and that's what I want. And I'm not really contouring either. I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer under my eyes. And instead of using my beauty blender, I'm actually going to use my finger. Oh shit. Just blend it out, because the oils from your hand are going to really make this look really natural. And that's what I want. And just dab it as if it like your finger was your beauty blender. So to get that nice bronze look, I want to go in with a really nice bronzer, and I'm going to use the Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. This is in dark golden. Guys, out of all of the bronzers that I have tried, MAC is one of my favorite ones. It's very natural and it's beautiful, and it looks amazing. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe G0 bronzing brush. You want to get a big brush for this because, like I said, we want to look bronze. We're not really contouring. And we're gonna go in threes, just like that. So you're gonna maybe add just a little bit more here, go back and forth. You really want to get that 3 because that's going to give you that nice natural look. Same thing on the other side, 3. Get the top of your nose. And your chin. And also get your neck because you want everything to match. And just keep doing that 3 until you get a dark enough color that you like. And I also add just a little bit more onto my cheeks, just because, and your nose, just because that's where it gets darkest the most, and your forehead as well, and on your chin. Yeah, it's basically like your whole face, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. This is from MAC. This is my brush that has been through hell. I don't know the number of it. I'll leave the link in the description box, but this is the one that I ran over. But I want to make this bronzer a little bit darker, but I don't want to go in with a darker color because I don't want to look too dark. I want this to look natural as possible. So I'm just gonna, right here, like as if you were like contouring, but you're not going all the way in like this. Just right there on your cheekbone. Just add a little bit more. And on your forehead, your chin, tip of your nose, and same thing on the other side. Now instead of adding blush, just do a little, and whatever is left over, give it a little swoosh on the balls of your cheek. Just so everything looks nice and natural. Now so our foundation doesn't crease, and like I said, I really kind of want like a dewy look to this, so you don't want to fill your whole face with powder because that's going to kind of make you matte. So I'm going to go in with my Naked Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder, and I'm going to go in with this so lightly, guys. Like, we're not baking, we're not doing any of that. You're just going to take a little bit and just dab it right underneath your eye, just so your your concealer doesn't crease. Bronze look. I'm gonna go in with my my Aqua Fresh highlighting. This is actually eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use it kind of as a bronzer. And this is from Catrice Cosmetics. This is Luminous Sensation. And I'm gonna put this on my eyes as well, but I'm also going to use it as a bronzer. Like, look, it's literally like, it's wet. Like, it's jelly. Ew. Like, look at that. It's beautiful. Like, look at that. Like, that's gorgeous. And now I'm just going to dot it in the areas that we just darkened with our powder bronzer. And just blend it out with your finger. Put some right on the top of your eyebrow. just in all the areas that we really darkened up. Right on the tip of the nose. I don't know why, but I love that. Sometimes my sister says go a little bit overboard, but it is what it is. Now that we did our face, before we get into our eyes, I want to get into our eyebrows. You want to make this look natural. So we're going to go in with a powder. And I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow powder duo, and this is in medium brown. So like I said, I'm going for a real natural look, so I'm just gonna really fill my eyebrows in, not really drawing on anything, just want it real natural. To clean up the top of your eyebrow, I'm gonna go back in with the foundation and just take like a little bit, just clean it up. And just give it a nice little finger blend. And then for the bottom, I'm actually going to go in with my Benefit, what is this, Highbrow Cleaner Upper. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's a highbrow. This is going to give you that nice natural highlight underneath your eyebrow. So we're just going to apply just a little bit. And just clean it up. Give it a nice little blend. So now for my eyes, I'm going to go back in with the Aqua Fresh highlighting eyeshadow from Catrice that we used as our bronzer. And you're just going to dab this right on the lids of your eyes. I actually really like this. And it's wet. Like, it really feels wet. And it's nice and natural and glowy. Cosmetics is the Ultimate Chrome Collection eyeshadow palette. And this is like, this shit is beautiful, guys. It honestly, I would use this as a highlighter as well. Like, it's really freaking bright. And I love that shit. So anyway, we're going to go into, these even have names on it. I see Sculpt, which is written on there. I guess it doesn't, but I'm going to try to explain to you as best as possible of what colors that I used. I want to go in with like a fairly fluffy brush to begin like the contouring of the eye. And this is my Morphe M504 brush. And I'm going to use Sculpt, which is like this nice bronzy color right here. And I'm going to just right in the crease of the eye. Whoa, do you guys see that? Like, that's fucking beautiful. This is pretty nice. I've never used this before. Like, I was just playing with it. And okay. And same thing on the other eye, just right into the crease. This is going to be like real simple. And I guess the eyes aren't going to look as natural as I want them to, but it's going to give it a nice summer glow. I always do that when I say I want to do like a real natural look. I always go over the top. I'm surprised that my face looks as natural as it does because I always go over the top every time I try to do a natural face. So then I'm going to go in with this gold shimmery color. Don't mind. That's my cat. I don't know what she's doing. Lucy! Lucy! I don't know what she's doing. But anyway, we're going to go in with this nice gold color right here. And I'm going to use my So Suzanne brush. This doesn't really have a number to it. But even if you just get like a flat brush, that's fine too. Because I'm just going to dab over what we did. You don't have to really go in with this because we just put that Aqua Fresh eyeshadow highlighter on. But just dab. Same thing on the other eye. Don't need much. And then just go back in with the brush that you used for your crease. You don't have to add any more product, but just blend. And then I'm going to, I need to do something for the bottom. What am I going to do for the bottom, guys? I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. This is from Crown. It doesn't have a number on it, but just get like a smaller brush that you could like blend underneath here and go back in with that Sculpt color, that bronzy color, and go right underneath the eye. Guys, this is gonna make your eyes look bigger and make them pop even more. And this is why I always do this when I do my eyeshadow. Just right underneath the eye. Oh yes, I like it, guys. I'm really just winging this. I just really wanted to do like a real summery bronzy face because it really is one of my favorites. And yeah, I'm really just winging this. This actually looks really good. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with this. I would say this is like a silver highlighter color. And I'm gonna go in this one right here. And I'm going to just place it on the inner corners of my eye. And this is also going to help and make your eyes look bigger. So for lashes, guys, I don't want to add a lot of mascara. I have really long, thick eyelashes, and it's going to make it really look boom. And that's not really the look that I'm going for today. As you can see, I have eyelash extensions that I got done from my friend Roslyn. It's like actually like a week and a half old, and I think that when you start losing your lashes a little bit, that's when it starts to look the nicest. So I'm really going to leave my eyelashes like this. I'm going to do my hair, and then I'm going to go in with my lipstick. I will be right back, guys. Okay, guys, now that I am done curling my hair, I'm going to go in with my lipstick. So this is from Almay. This is a Goddess Gloss, and I don't know if you guys can really see it, but it has like little sparkly things in it. This is Angelic. That is the name of this. And maybe if I do it like that, can you guys see? It has nice sparkles, and it's very light and it's very pinkish, and I just think that it looks great with this look. So I'm just going to apply some gloss onto my lips. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.